How important is life insurance to have for somebody, especially somebody that's self-employed?
So life insurance, is super essential for everybody, whether you're single, married, kids, no kids. It is the sound foundation for any financial plan, realistically. Like you said, we don't really want to think about it, but at the end of the day, whether it's now by accident or when you're old and gray, we're going to pass away at some point, right? Life insurance is a fantastic way to make sure that any expenses that have to do with burial are covered, but it's also a great way to create generational wealth and to ensure that the generations after you, have a great head start.
Generational wealth. Tell me more about this.
How generational wealth can be, used with life insurance. There's many ways, but more importantly, the death benefit that you get from a life insurance policy, death benefit would be the payout. So let's say, for example, 500,000. If Amir gets a policy for himself for 500,000 and heaven, forbid something were to happen to him, obviously then if his wife is the beneficiary, which will be, then your wife can then use the proceeds from that policy to do various things. It can be used to pay off the mortgage. And if there's any proceeds left after the mortgage is paid off, it can be used to cover plenty of things. Any outstanding debt, cover education costs for the kids, fund a trust fund so that the kids can use this money when they're older.